Yeah. It's an RT right here. This fire. I'm gonna have to go ahead and put some underglow lights on my shit.
Yeah.
RT.
I mean, I hope he's got the full deal right here.
Oh, this blue one hard.
These things cold like crazy.
Oh yeah. This right here, Hemi gang. Oh yeah, I like this. They all Hemi gang. They dope. Ooh, this wide body though.
I'm like, don't put all that money in the headlights. You gotta have something behind the headlights. Come on down.
Yeah, they killing it.
The iPhone?
Yeah. Oh damn, this shit hard right here. Ooh, look at the lights. Yeah, this one hard. This is super hard right here. Yeah. This boy clean right here.
What happened to Need for Speed? What happened to...
Oh yeah, he was out here last time. This one hard too. Yeah, I think this is a cat right here. Yeah, it's a cat. RT. Oh, he was out too. It's a cat or a 392. She got this Godzilla holding it up. Look at that. And this car, god dang. Holding on the cat. Oh, that's dope. The light shine on it.
This is tight.
When the light shine on it, glow, bro. You see it?
Hell yeah!
The car, I didn't even know the car was purple. I thought it was black.
Yeah, ooh. I like that.
Next to the 392.
Headlock and everything.
Dodge always be killing it, man. Under lights on everything. Y'all see it. On the Ford Fusion. Got the Mustang out here. Big RT. I'm gonna go get this vet. This vet clean. You don't see a lot of vets out here, man. There's usually always just one. It's clean though. Brand sport. Clean too. Stinger.
He had like almost 5.0 90s Mustang, so you said 2 Phillies on a crash that bitch. Like never again.
We'll go here. Seen this BMW somewhere. This BMW clean right here.
In-N-Out must be doing dough off these meetings.
Every weekend they make us some money. Ooh, got the old school up.
Nice and quiet through here, bro. Man, right here.
Look at that boy Warren. What's up, dog? With the green sky. Silver 5.0. That's a female driving it too. Ooh, this is a one though. Oh my God, look at this thing right here. Look at this thing. Big bumblebee. Big bumblebee, y'all see it. Big bumblebee, dog.
And this man matched up right behind him.
Ooh.
This is the guy in the trunk, bro.
He got 212 in that joint. I'm gonna have to work my way around because I don't want to skip. I don't want to skip nothing. Ooh, you got another vet. That is good. Ooh. It's you? It's you? That's one clean, man. Man, it's like every time I come out here, I only see like one vet, man. It's two, man. Breaking records today, man. Last week it was only one vet. I was like, oh man, it's clean, brother. Oh yeah, it got C8s too or what? C7. The C7. Oh man, I want to see the C8s. You don't never see them out here, man. You don't never see them out there, man. I guess they too big money for us, man. You're right. I want clean, man. You got the brown on the inside. Hey man, you big money, dog. You need to be on top, man. Ooh, that boy got that thing slam. Look at that. Ooh. Got the truck behind it. I remember this one. This one had the cop lights on it. Got the blue 1LE. This 1LE, I think. Yes, sir. See it. It's blue off. Ooh, with the bronze. Them bronze rims on.
Oh, yeah, lots of
Way the fuck out.
Infinities out here. Big Infinities. Got the Mustang gang over here. Camaro. Big cat. Mopar Street Queens too. Ooh, she got the big cat on the side of that joint. Yeah, that's your own. This Cadillac right here sounds so good. He was out here last weekend.
You know what's up here?
5.0. Got the blue. Ooh, this Honda. Destroyer Great. Yeah. Got Mopar girl. Yes, sir. I don't know, is this a K5 or an Optima? Lexus. You got that big Honda. I think I seen this one last time. Cherry blossom on that joint. Old school clean right here. Don't want to miss that old school. chopping it up too. This Z06 too. Oh, that's the girl I was telling you about right there. The RT.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You don't want that motherfucker there. I'm about to be like, little dude, man, get a ball up in their grill.